We have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a gorgeous 1968 Chevrolet C10 short bed, big block, fully restored, 468 roller motor, dual 4 barrels, aluminum heads, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering, 6-speed, push button, automatic transmission. Just a nice restoration. CPP Tubular A Arms, front suspension, lots of upgrades, power seat, tilt wheel, nice sound system, just a sharp truck. Nice paint, got the chrome rally wheels. Suspension right there, super nice. Just a cool truck. Wood bed truck. I mean, it's absolutely fantastic on it. There's a few small chips. The truck's been driven a few thousand miles, but bed's completely finished. I mean, your soft tonneau cover, it rolls back. Chrome trim bright work is fantastic on the truck. Somebody chipped it right there. We've got better touch-up paint, so that'll be touched up. Teeny little dink right there. But I'm talking nice truck. The gas filler has been moved to the trunk. Rear sliding window. Drip rails are fantastic. Appears to be the original side view mirror. There are some little imperfections in the glass right there. It's not broke, but you got tinted windows. Just super nice truck. Strong running truck. There are a few chips right here. Like I said, we have the correct touch-up paint. Those will be touched up. Nice truck. Again, like, share the video, subscribe to our channel, help us grow. You can find about 75 pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. Again, that's www.westportautocenter.com. Rear slider. The truck is nicely done. Driver's seat is power. Got the center console. Cup holders. Put it back up like that. Glove box. Original short bed truck. Got a push button. 6-speed automatic transmission. This truck pulls, I'd say, probably closer to the 450 horse by driving it. It's a beast. Nice truck. Chips right there, that'll be touched up. But jams are done nice, seals are nice, tilt wheel. There's all the gauges. And you got to put your foot on the brake. Now we're in drive. Gets up and goes. Oil pressure just buries it. All the gauges are working. Tack, temperature gauge, battery, fuel. Radio works, horn, wipers. Looks like we got a blinker out on the driver's side we'll have to address. But tilt wheel, power seats, just a cool truck. If you'd like to come in and check this out in person, visit any one of our 3 warehouses of cars and trucks. Fly into St. Louis International, Lambert, one the same there at the same airport. Forward us your itinerary. We'd be more than happy to pick you up and take you to our warehouse, check the vehicle out. We'll put it up on a rack, take it for a drive, make sure it's a good fit for you. This thing pulls. If you'd like to talk to somebody in person, my name's Mark. 314-346-6039. It's 314-346-6039. This truck, will be priced at a fraction of what it would have been cost to build this truck. Just a stand-up truck, good solid truck. A lot of truck for the money. Again, it's 314-346-6039. Ask for Mark or www.westportautocenter.com. If you'd like to send somebody in to inspect the vehicle, we're more than happy to do that as well. Accommodate any of your needs. Again, that's www.westportautocenter.com. 1968 Chevy C10 short bed, big block, 6-speed, automatic push-button transmission. Thanks for watching.